How many days have you been in Iran till now?
I think 30.
30 days, wow!
And we are still here for 2 weeks.
Oh my goodness.
Whoa!
First, it is a very large country. The people are
the people.
very warm, friendly, helpful.
Welcoming, so kind. They all try to ask us where we're from. Welcome to Iran. There you have some fruits, or grapes, or treats, or whatever. It's overwhelming, really.
And then he tried to learn me how to dance.
Iranian dance.
You have to understand that all people say about Iran, don't dare to drive yourself.
It's a fact.
Cars coming from everywhere.
Yeah.
Nobody uses mirrors, let alone the lights. So no, it's an experience.
So difficult.
Yeah.
May I ask where you're from?
We're from the Netherlands.
Netherlands.
And we live in Amsterdam.
Oh, Amsterdam. My friend is living there too.
Yes,
Yes,
okay.
okay.
We should exchange our phone numbers to get in touch.
Sure. So the story is, one of my cousin is a mechanic and he works in a garage. It's over there. Yesterday he called me and he told me that, hey Ashley, you need to come here. And I was like, why on earth? He said that there are a couple in their garage, they're tourists, and nobody can speak English with them. So they really needed me. And I was like, okay, I'm on the way, I'm coming. So yesterday I came here, we talked to each other, and last night they came to our cafe too. It was such a unique experience for me. And today we're here again because I want to show, yes, our tourist attractions to them. But first, let's have breakfast. Let's go. I love so much. We call them Olos.
Okay. Lentil with cinnamon.
Yes. Would you like to have a cup of tea after this?
Oh yes, of course. A lemon juice might be nice.
If you want to have something like a rich breakfast, we have adasi or osh. It's something like soup but totally different. And halle pocha and the shika. You enjoy the breakfast? Did you like it?
Oh yes.
Yes.
Thank you.
Tasty with the bread and also the tea afterwards. It's good prepare for the day, you'd say. Yes.
Those are who you don't know their identity. Yeah, but they buried them a couple of years ago in India. It's really beautiful. Do you like the place?
Yes.
And also there with the wind.
Yeah.
The wind
That makes it beautiful.
It says sister or Albambo.
چقدر چادرم بگو بهشون میاد.
He says chadar looks good on you.
No, it shouldn't.
So, right now I wanted to ask your opinion about our travel mosque. What do you think about it?
Well, it's one of the most beautiful mosques we've seen, I think.
We've seen so many, also with just a large hall. We've seen, of course, the holy shrines, which are very overly decorated. And this one is pure, magnificent tile work, of course. Yeah, it's not overly designed or so. It
Mirrors,
feels
no
honest.
gold,
Yeah.
it's no glitter, it's
I'm glad you like it.
yeah, it's beautiful. It's really beautiful.
So it's a big hole under the ground, we can say. So they say water in that, and after that they use it like this.
I certainly do.
I climb all the stairs.
I can find.
Okay.
Taco. It's another taco. So literally anything.
Yeah, well, in Amsterdam we have some shops and workshops which may be a bit similar.
Oh wow.
Very, very old, but they're disappearing.